we start the Node.js with a fresh project creation to use module in Node.js with JavaScript. So first, how we create the Node.js project. So first we need to install the Node.js. How you install this? I just show you. Node.js download. You go in a website where you found this MSI and you just install it. Okay, so this is a way to install Node.js. First we check the Node.js -v. So I have 24. How we create the project? npm init -y. So here the package.json is created. My main file is index.js and here I write a script start node index.js. So that will work for start the project. So first file I needed, that is index.js. I write console.log hello world. So here my project is created and I have created index.js file where supposed to I write hello world. Now I need to check to run this project. So I write npm start because I have written this start command which run this node index.js. So this has done. Now save this. Now I have given some assignments to students. So this is the first task, reverse string. So I prepared this reverse string program. So as I told you, like in a single file, we write all this program. Later on, we do the modules to make each task in a individual module. So first I create function reverse string where I assign a string which use a split function with the each letter split, make it reverse and then do the join. So this function will return the reverse string as example. So first I enter a string. So for example I enter a screen like this way. Hello world. So this is my original string is this and this is my reverse string. So this is one of my program. I just run this. So here you can see, so original string is hello world and it is written with this, right? For example, I write my name. Very similarly, it returns in reverse. Now I want to make this as a module. So when we use the module, there are two ways to import and require. So I give the demo with the require, then I do this with the import. So I just suppose uh, cut this lines. I just prepare one of the file. I give the name reverse string.js. So my module name becomes reverse string.js. Now I export this. So this is my function. Now we can do this module.export and I export my function. So this is saved. I use this require to import this and now I run this. So here we can see this is the module. I use one function, create a module and it is exported and I import this. So this is the one way to export and import. Now suppose to I want require with a import. So what to do? The changes. So first changes we has to, that is type module and here we just remove this, and we use export functions reverse string. So I use export word before this function, and here I remove this line, import reverse string. So this is also a way to do, where we use the latest, that is import. Now I just run this. So this is another way to import the modules. Now I just save this. So this has done.